Honourable Stephen Dhieu Dau, the former Minister of Finance and Planning, National Ministry,
General Tôi Chanyiret, Security Advisor to the President, General Sultan Balok, Minister of Defense. I'm also humbly privileged to represent Greater Upper Nile, in which this horrible departure of our hero, David Majur, it happened. We, the people of Greater Upper Nile, the whole 7 tribes, 3 regions, 2 administrative areas, we are certainly shocked. We didn't expect such horrible act, killing a son of this land, South Sudan, in a way that it happened. It is condemned by most of the communities, the leaders of Upper Nile. Maasakawa beta Upper Nile, this is not a culture of Upper Nile. We believe that led to that incident is because we have signed a bad agreement in 2018. That agreement has brought armies into the system using the state powers, state resources. I'm a civilian and I'm a scared. Lakini I don't know who was the regional, but why you more than one CNC, Commander-in-Chief. You have this, the same army, which is headed by one president. It will also, including the senior officers from other armies. So in my strong conviction is that I thought because of this strong agreement, the resource of the state has been used to destabilize the state. نفس الموارد بتاع الدولة يتم استخدامه ضد الدولة نفسه. أنا في رأيي أنا بعتقد ده السبب الأساسي أدى لاستشهاد ميجر جنرال ديفيد ماجور. In one government, you can be in a government and you are in opposition. We remember in CPA, when the Southern Sudan was given, or SPLA was recognized to be separate from the army, Sudan army, is because the negotiators of the SPLM wanted to guarantee the implementation of the CPA. السؤال أنا بسأل نفسه، أنا بسأله وبسأل نفسه، الهدف شنو؟ إنه white army which is allied to SPLM, SPLA-IO نفسه يخلوهم يشتغلوا برا مؤسسة الدولة. الهدف النهائي شنو؟ من الاتفاق بالجيش بتاع IO، لأن ما في تغيير مصير هيحصل نفسه. We as a politician and civilian are not military people who are really do not understand this confusion. To come, I wanted on this day to pray for the soul of late General David Majur and all of those who bravely give their lives in Nasser on March 7, 2025. Because we are protecting our country and its borders. May General David Majur's sacrifices teach us to love our land and country without expecting any return. May God bless the families of General Majur and his fellow soldiers who died and fill their homes with strength and peace. First, as South Sudanese and General David Majur's family, we did not anticipate his untimely death in the way that it happened. And he was been fighting for freedom and dignity of people of South Sudan, but unfortunately was slaughtered by his own people. Second, I wanted also to reiterate that the freedom that we have achieved, it needs also protection. And to protect it, the government is supposed to reinforce law and order so that to prevent any future incidents similar to what happened. There are Gulinu Alitapakiada Musirajo should be reviewed because my Injil wala Quran. There would be no closed borders, closed territories. Al-Mukuma yakunu dohori interview. Wal muwasayin community Oma Asia Beleda. Junub Sudan Dawla Dar Siyada ولو في خروج على القانون من أي بقعة من جنوب السودان ده بيحتاج لتدخل قوي مبذول أقوى من الحكومة. فأنا بطالب إنه الاتفاقية ده تراجع بنوده عشان نكون بسلام للمواطنين بتاعنا. We panda achira tulewon ye felen or pinyar wen ko da duken e we ke me de padang me de jen ko ke jelte no we because the last migration jele ko jen da yote mle long tuli wala ke ni shuma ko ka ni junub shoya e jel pandun. Well, it is good also you have established a great bridge into Amunto, into Kundi, or the bridge. What good thinkers, what good into Kum thinkers, Mana Tanin, Kasana Kwan and where. Then into you are a unique community and you are great. Kebla Wen, Tono Majur Kana, Achiwe, Muti and Lun, Lana Junub Kulu. For a long time, a cage such brave and patriotic officer, Chief Majur, a cage you, Ranti Wegagam. Kijai Bijal, Dika, Wachijai Biratan. Ayan Majura Kaito, Majura P. There are general alive, Lakin, a cage Majur, Akang, and Jaju Sudan. Wachiga Bingi, Majura Tijal, Kilateriniali. Group that thing is over, lakin legacy ke. Group the bima insani kabir. Achuwa ya watania, bil ba begel kadi yene kadi nam ke credit to don ka we okay salam abi akuma abi yen ko ugu da Majur ci we biye go ci we biye go la ko jene ka they were not representing their communities. A politician la yan bo pa na chola la nil bo nget ko to pa dan to reason je kai they are not against the government. They are being used by some politicians, including those who are in Juba here. Ke ko ke e ke lo bi ga ti to wo ya kuma wo ko ga kuma an go sunan na del an go so nena ka leaders but happen nai a book them we will try to help the government how to bring peace to na Majur inshallah biya nihaya bita muana bita shab bita juru Sudan shab bita ala nil bisaba khasa. I thank you, may God be with you and may his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honourable.